Welcome to this lesson on technical writing terms and definitions. The terms in this lesson relate to emerging technologies that involve technical writers today and could involve technical writers more in the future. There are many such terms, but we concentrate on a sampling. After completing this lesson, you should be able to define each term covered in this lesson. Let's get started. Terms and definitions, emerging technologies. Here are the terms and definitions we will cover in this lesson. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is an enhanced version of reality. It is created by using technology that overlays digital information on an image. The overlay is of something viewed through a device, such as a smartphone camera. Some groups are using augmented reality to produce documentation. Google Glass is an example of an augmented reality application. Big data. Big data is an accumulation of data, and it is so complex and large that you do not process it using a traditional database tool. Blog. Blog is an abbreviation, short for weblog, and is typically a website regularly updated. Blogs can be run by a group or individual, and normally have a conversational and informal tone. Digital literacy. Digital literacy involves the ability to analyze, understand, and evaluate information using digital technologies. This involves knowledge of technology and understanding how to use it. This can involve the use of technologies such as mobile devices and computers. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a term that involves many marketing products or services. These products and services include targeted and measurable components that involve converting leads into customers. The objective is to promote brands and retain the customer. Companies use digital marketing to increase sales and build references. Channels for digital marketing include mobiles and computers, plus radio and TV. Haptic interfaces. Haptic interfaces refer to a system where people interact with a computer through movement and sensory feedback. This can include tactile feedback and other sensory input to complete a process on a device. Heuristic. Heuristic involves an aid to problem solving or learning by trial and error. This can include evaluating a product with a heuristic checklist involving a predetermined set of qualities for evaluation. Technical writers can be involved in heuristic evaluation. Instructional design. Instructional design is a term that refers to a process where instructional content is designed and delivered. Instructional technology can refer to the same concept as can curriculum design. Technical writers can be involved in instructional design. Internet of Things. Internet of Things refers to a network with the link of the physical world to the world of information through the internet. Objects can be addressed through the internet. For example, you can use the internet to interact with inventory management and purchases. Social media. Social media includes forms of communication, such as websites for blogging and social networking. Social media creates online communities to share information, ideas, video, photos, and messages. Examples of social media include Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Wikis. Wikis are websites that allow visitors to make comments and contributions. Technical writers can set up and facilitate wikis. An example of a wiki is Wikipedia. Now let's review. We have now looked at some terms related to emerging technologies. These are terms that technical writers should know for their work today and possibly work in the future. You should be able to define these terms. We hope that knowing these terms helps you in your work in technical writing.